Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and I want to talk to you about a new option in Link2Quotes. So something that I felt was missing was the ability to put information on all quotes in front of the quote. So in other words, let's say you just wanted to have some general information that goes out with all your quotes. Well, there wasn't really an easy way to do that. So the folks over at Keystroke added something new and I want to share that with you. It's called a cover page. And I'm in Link2Quotes, and you'll notice as I'm here, I'm going to click on Settings. And once we click in Settings, you're going to see there is an option right here called Cover Pages. And what I've done is I've created a cover page called Training Intro. So if you want to create a new one, you could click on New, but I want to take you right into the one that I worked on, and I'm going to click on Edit so you can go in and see it. So basically what I did is I put some information inside of here, and it is just basic information about how I work. So when a quote goes out, this will show up first. This is what I call the training intro cover page. I also added an image that would allow you to add an image to the top. So what I want to do is I want to show you what it looks like once I got done with this and what the quote will look like when I send it out because of the cover page. You could have multiple cover pages. So if I was talking about training versus software versus something else, I can have multiple ones, and when you go create a new quote, you can select which cover page you want to have go out with it. So I'm going to pause here and open up one of my recent quotes so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so what I have done is I've created a preview of the quote that I want to send out, and what I did is I created a quote called my ice cream quote. So I'll hit the page down and you'll see this is my ice cream quote, but now above it there is a cover page. I've got the artwork up top. I have a little bit of information about how I work. So now I feel it's more complete than going down here and having to add something above this, maybe in the description area. So it's really a great tool, and I think it's phenomenal the way they've designed this, and it's just another way to make this work for you. It can explain a little bit about the quote, how you work with it, whatever you want. And again, I like it. I think it looks great. I think it's clean, concise, and to the point. And I think it's only a new tool in your arsenal to make your sales stronger. Okay, everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.